Hey, I'm Mateo with WTI and I want to show you my latest addition to my emergency bag. This is the OnLyee emergency radio. You can charge it with a USB charger. You can charge it through a solar panel. It also has a slot for AAA batteries. And on top of that, you can charge it by cranking it up. So there is 4-5 different ways that you can charge it, and that is vital when you don't have power. I think that is super important. I also like the emergency alarm that it has. If you're needing help and you need somebody to hear you, this thing is loud, somebody will hear you. So as you can see, it's a very portable radio. It's very small and compact, so you can take it with you everywhere. So if you're looking to add a radio that has so many different features to your emergency backpack, I really recommend this one, and that is my point of view.